I want to prove to you in this video that you can create a network like this one at the speed of thought and not be limited by your tool. This is a typical AWS network where you have an account and then a region, 2 VPCs, a few AZs, and subnets within it. To prove my point, I will go ahead and delete this whole tree and make sure we start from scratch. Notice that I'm only using shortcuts, and you can see all the shortcuts available in the application by pressing $. So let's just get into it. I'll start by creating an account, and then within that account, I want to create a region. Within this region, I want to create VPCs, but these VPCs have to be a specific size. In AWS, they have to be at least 16. So I can either come here to my CIDR picker, but we are pros, so we use P as a keyboard shortcut, and go to /16 and select it. Now if I press A, I'll create my VPC with /16, and then I create another one. Now what I want to do next is create a few subnets within this VPC, or actually AZs. So I'll press S to split, and then S again. Now I want to split this further into subnets. So I'll press W, and then W in the next AZ, W again, and W again. We're almost there. I just have to go to my other VPC, split, split, create, 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 create. Here we are, once again, in the same state we were before. What you may want to do next is some adjustments. Let's say that all this symmetry does not suit you and you want to have subnets that are a little bit weirder than that. So let's work on VPC2 only and focus on it. I will go ahead and change AZ1 to another CIDR, or maybe VPC2. /16 is too big. So I can press K here to go to a /18. You will see the decrease in total IPs. So let's just press enter. Now I have a 18 VPC, and if I press U to undo, you can see the cascading changes, or R to redo. If I want to pick another CIDR, I can just press P again, but let's say that I want to delete a subnet. I can just press DD, and I can see my utilization up here going down. Check this out. If I were in this state initially and I really wanted to make use of my whole AZ, I could go to the AZ level and press E, for instance, and that would redistribute my AZ equally. So let's say I'm satisfied with this thing. I can go ahead and put everything into view again and go to export. Maybe a tree view to use this as an input to an LLM, a mermaid diagram, or my favorite, an SVG. If you export this as an SVG, here's what you get. By opening this thing as an SVG, you basically lose no quality. So here is our network. We can zoom in dramatically, and we lose absolutely nothing, which is amazing.